In November 2010, a Swedish bride, Anni Dewani, was murdered during her honeymoon in Cape Town, South Africa. Her death sparked a global media frenzy and a complex legal battle that will span over a decade. Quick disclaimer, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as legal, medical, or mental health advice. The information presented in this video is based on my own research and interpretation of the facts, and I mean no disrespect to the people I'm talking about in this video, nor their families. If you have any questions or concerns about the information presented in this video, please consult a relevant professional. Anni Hindocha was born in March 12, 1982 in Műrdeř, Sweden, to a Swedish mother and an Indian-Ugandan father. The Hindocha family were forced to flee Uganda in the early 1970s. Due to expulsion of Asians, they settled in Sweden, where Anni grew up. She grew up a middle child with two siblings, a younger brother Anish and an elder sister Amy. She studied electronic engineering and later innovation engineering. She ended up taking a year off in 2006 when her mother was diagnosed with cancer, and she moved back home to look after her. And a year after that, she got a job at the company Ericsson in Stockholm. In the years to follow, she met Anni Dewani, her fiancé. Anni Dewani is a British businessman of Indian origin. The couple had extravagant wedding in Mumbai, India, and decided to honeymoon in South Africa, a country that Anni had always dreamed of visiting. On November 11, 2010, Anni and Shrine arrived in Cape Town and embarked on their honeymoon adventure. They visited various tourist attractions and dined at upscale restaurants, seemingly enjoying their time together. On November 13th, 2010, Anni and Shrine went out for dinner at a restaurant in Gugulethu, a township on the outskirts of Cape Town. After dinner, they hired a taxi to take them back to the hotel. However, their journey took a horrifying turn. As the taxi was driving through Gugulethu, two armed men ambushed the vehicle. They forced the driver, Zola Tongo, out of the car and then ordered Shrine, Anni's fiancé, to get out as well. Anni was left alone in the taxi. The two men drove away with Anni, leaving Shrine and Tongo stranded on the roadside. Tongo later claimed that he was instructed to drive to a secluded location where he was forced to abandon the taxi. The next morning, Anni's body was found in Khayelitsha, another township near Cape Town. She had been shot dead. She was shot on the neck. The bullet went through her neck and lodged in the seat. Perpetrators didn't take any part of the car. And Anni's diamond ring, which was worth over 200,000 rands, which is uncommon for a typical hijacking. Anni was found leaning against a taxi door, dead, and she was not sexually assaulted. 3 individuals were arrested in connection with the murder of Anni Dewani: Zola Tongo, Muziwa Madoda Kwabe, and Sholile Mungeni. Zola Tongo, a taxi driver who confessed to orchestrating the robbery and kidnapping that led to Anni Dewani's death. He pleaded guilty to murder in December 2010 and was sentenced to 18 years in prison. He was released on parole in March 2022. Muziwa Madoda Kwabe, an accomplice of Zola Tongo, who also participated in the robbery and kidnapping, he pleaded guilty to murder in August 2012 and was sentenced to 25 years in prison. Sholile Mungeni, the man accused of shooting and killing Anni Dewani, he was found guilty of murder in November 2012 and sentenced to life in prison. However, he died in prison 2 years later from a brain tumor. Anni Dewani and his husband was also charged with murder, but he was acquitted in 2014. The South African authorities have not ruled out charging him again. The circumstances surrounding Anni's murder remain unclear, with many questions unanswered. It is important to note that this is a complex and sensitive case, and the information provided here is based on publicly available sources. It's crucial to respect the privacy of those involved and avoid speculation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the like button and hit that notification bell for future true crime videos. It's been your boy Ben Superman. Peace.